Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Miss Letchworth's Math Time. So we did this in small group this morning with one of our groups, and it was a type of story problem that I guess we hadn't talked about in a long time. So I thought it would be a great review, good practice, even if you have already done it with me this week. So let's take a look at this maybe real life story problem. Close enough, I guess. Mariah measured her bedroom window that was 25 inches long. Natalie measured her bedroom window that was 14 inches long. How much shorter is Natalie's window than Mariah's? So what information do we know in this problem? We know that Mariah's window, Mariah's bedroom window is 25 inches long. We know that Natalie's window is 14 inches long. Now, what are we trying to figure out? We're trying to figure out how much shorter is Natalie's window than Mariah's. So in order to do that, I need to understand first whose bedroom window is shorter. That's right, Natalie's window is shorter. Mariah's window is longer. So this is important information for me to know before I solve so that I can go back and check my work at the end to make sure that it matches these statements. Okay, now if I'm finding the difference between these two numbers, what operation am I going to use? Addition or subtraction? Very good, subtraction. Whenever you find the difference in two numbers, you are subtracting. So we could solve that with a number of strategies, but let's first write the equation to match. We would write the difference between 25 and 14. Well, I know the larger or greater number has to come first because I cannot take 25 from 14. Okay, I only have 14, so I have to start with a bigger number. 25 minus 14 equals blank inches. Okay, so let's see how to solve this equation. We could start by counting on from 14, remember, and getting to 25. We could start with 25 and take away 14, but that would take way too long. Okay, or we could draw place value blocks. I'm going to show you the number line strategy since you guys are headed to third grade. This is a strategy that they will use quite a bit. I'm going to change my color here so you can see me. All right, we've got 14. Remember, I'm starting with a smaller number. I can find the difference either way. I could start at 25 on this end and subtract to get to 14. But for me, addition is easier. So I'm going to start with my smaller number and add on to get to 25. So start with 14. I know that I can count up 6 to land on the nearest 10, which is 20. Because 4 plus 6 makes 10, so 14 plus 6 makes 20. All right, then I only have to hop up 5 more to get to my 25. Now 25 is not my answer. That was the number I was getting to. The missing number, the one that I just discovered, is the distance that I just traveled on the number line. 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is, you got it, equal to 11. So the difference in Mariah's bedroom and Natalie's bedroom is 11 inches. The question again says, how much shorter is Natalie's window than Mariah's? Okay, if I wanted to be really specific, I would say 11 inches shorter because Natalie's window is 11 inches shorter than Mariah's. Finding the difference between two numbers. This is very similar to in class when we have solved how many more or how many fewer. We're still finding the difference instead of the sum or the whole.